Derek, what do you got going, brother?
We had Halloween. I sat out and, handed out candy for Halloween, but I just like opened up the garage.
Oh.
And I sat out in the garage and I sharpened all my, I got out the Cat's Moses sharpener because I finally got my Zen-Wu sharpening system.
Oh, like the new one that's not sandpaper, but it's
like plates that you swap out. Yeah, man, that thing is nice. And I just spent the time. I cleaned up the shop a little bit, and then I just sharpened out all my blades and everything, and just handed out candy to the kids as they came up. That thing is nice. I mean, I had sharpened my old beater, Home Depot chisel.
Paint can
with the Cat's Moses sharpening jig on my old stones, and it was okay. It wasn't super sharp, but it was sharp enough that I could chisel off a little bit here and there. But then I took it over and I did it on the Zen-Wu system, and that thing came out mirror finished, and it was so sharp. I could finally this is
did
a
the hair thing.
One. It did the hair thing. It shaved my arm like that.
Wow.
It was nice.
I don't think I've ever been able to do the hair thing.
No.
Yeah.
One time I did it with a knife. I was bored. I was sitting around a campfire and I had sharpening stone. I just sharpened the knife while sitting around a campfire, and then I got it to shave my arm hair.
Huh.
But it took a while.
But yeah, I gotta say, it's pretty nice. And it didn't take much. Maybe 15, 20 passes.
Whoa.
On each of the levels. And working my way through them. It was fun. It was good. It was a good time in the garage for sure. I enjoyed it. And I would recommend it. It was worth it. It was $200 for the sharpening
whole
system. Yeah.
That's not bad.
And it's just these nice little plates you just swap out. They're magnetically snapped in place. That and the KM thing. Man, it's great. Great combo.